20.1, saving and spending. Find the total value of each group of coins. Okay, that's pretty easy. Label. I'm going to count on to get my total value. 25, 50, 60, 70, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. I have 79 cents, or I have 79 cents. Let's see, we got 25, 25, 25, 5, 5, 5, 1, 1. Okay, I'm going to count on to get the total value. 25, 50, 75, 80, 85, 90, 91, 92. 92 cents, or 92 cents. Go to the next page. See what's going on right here. Suppose you get 1 dime each Friday. Okay. You can save the dime each week. You can spend the dime each week to buy things. So from what I see is that if you spend it, it goes away. That's probably why they got the X right there. So in 4 weeks, if we save a dime each week, you will have 40 cents. And if you spend the dime each week to buy things, then you did not save your money. So you have $0. You have 0 cents. Okay, does that make sense? You don't have any dimes left because you spent them. Number 1. Nick gets 1 dime each week for 6 weeks. Okay, so that's 6 dimes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. He saves 4 dimes. So he saves 4 dimes and spends 2 dimes. He spends 2 dimes, so they go away. How much money does he have now? That's 10, 20, 30, 40. He has 40 cents. Or 40 cents. Number 2, Cindy gets 1 dime each week for 7 weeks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. She saves 3 dimes and spends 4 dimes. How much money does she have now? 10, 20, 30. She has 30 cents. Next page. Kim gets 1 quarter each week for 4 weeks. 1, 2, 3, 4. She saves 3 quarters and spends 1 quarter. How much money does she have? Well, 3 quarters equals 75 cents. Number 4. Theo gets 1 dime and 1 nickel each week for 4 weeks. He spends 15 cents and saves the rest. How much money does he have now? Okay, so now let's see what's going on. He gets 1 dime and 1 nickel each week. So every week he gets a dime, which is 10 cents, right? And he gets a nickel, which is 5 cents. He gets that in 1 week. So this is week 1. And so they said it happened for 4 weeks. So we need to calculate that for week 2, 3, and 4. So I'm going to go ahead and give them a dime and a nickel for week 2. I'm going to go ahead and give him a dime and a nickel for week 3. I'm going to go ahead and give him a dime and a nickel for week 4. And so they said he spent 15 cents and he saves the rest. So 15 cents will be a dime and a nickel because 10 plus 5 is 15. So he spends this, but he still got the rest of this. So we need to count that. 10, 20, 30. So that's 30 cents. 5, 10, 15. That's 15 cents. Let's add them up. And we got 45 cents. Number 5. Kendra gets 4 nickels each week for 3 weeks. She gets 4 nickels each week for 3 weeks. She saves half of this money and spends the rest. How much money does she spend? Well, she gets 4 nickels each week for 3 weeks. So we have week 1, week 2, week 3. And she gets 4 nickels. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a nickel. So they're like 5 cents a piece. She saves half of this money. Okay, we're going to split it directly in half. She saves half and spends the rest. So she spends this, but she saves half. So how much is that? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. That's 30 cents. Let's go ahead and go to the next page. Number 6. Larry earns 50 cents each week. He wants to buy a book that costs 75 cents. After 2 weeks, he buys the book and saves the rest. How much money does he save? Well, he earns 50 cents a week, but he wants to buy something that costs 75 cents. And after 2 weeks, he buys the book. Well, that makes sense because he would have to work 2 weeks to get... Okay, so let's figure out. 1 week is 50 cents, and 2 weeks he get another 50 cents. So right now, he has $1. And he wants to buy a book that costs 75 cents. So we're going to take the $1 and we're going to take away 75 cents. And so that will give him 25 cents. Number 7. Wendy earned 90 cents. Explain why she might save her money except for spending it. Right here you can put anything. Basically, the purpose of saving money is maybe she wants to save her money to buy something big like Larry did up here. Okay, he wanted something that was 75 cents, but he only gets 50 cents each week. So he had to save that 50 cents from the first week and combine it with what he earned the second week to get it. So let's go ahead and move on to number 8. Number 8, Alex had these coins. He spends 10 cents and saves the rest. How much money does he have? Well, if he spent 10 cents, let's just mark this dime out. And we have 25, 25, 10. So that's 25, 50, 60. That's 60. Number 1, Saul gets 1 dime each week for 8 weeks. 1, 2, 3. He saves 5 dimes and spends 3 dimes. So that's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. That's 50 cents. Number 2, Andrea gets 1/4 each week for 4 weeks. That's 4 weeks. She saves 2 quarters. She spends 2 quarters. How much money does she have now? 25.50. She has 50 cents. Number 3. Jake gets 1 dime and 1 nickel each week for 3 weeks. He spends 30 cents and saves the rest. How much money does he have now? He does this for 3 weeks. So we're going to have a dime and a nickel. A dime is worth 10 cents and a nickel is worth 5 cents. So this is going to be week 1, week 2, week 3. So he gets a dime and a nickel each one of those weeks. He spends 30 cents. So that's 10, 20, 30. How much money does he have left? All he got left is the nickel. So that's 5, 10, 15. He has 15 cents left. Wow, it seems like Jake is a spender. Let's go to the next page. Kyle had these coins. He spends 20 cents and saves the rest. How much money does he have now? Let's see, we got 25, 25, 25, 10, 10. He spends 20 cents. We can take these 10s away. He has 75 cents. Maria has these coins. Which of the following is true? She does not have enough to spend 60 cents on a snack. She has enough to spend 85. Oh, I need to figure out the total number. So let's do that. $25, $35, $45, $55, $60, $65, $70. All right, we got 70 cents right here. So she does not have enough to spend 60 cents on the snack. She does have enough to spend 66 on the snack because she got 70 cents. So this is not the answer. She has enough to spend 85 cents on the snack. She only got 70 cents. She don't have that much money. She has enough to spend 76 on the snack. That's true. Number 6. Sid earns 50 cents each week for 2 weeks. He spends 95 cents and saves the rest. How much does he have? Okay, so he has, let's see, 50 cents for 2 weeks. That'll be 50 plus 50, which would give me 100 cents. And we all know 100 cents is $1. So he spends 95 cents. So 95 cents goes away. So I need to borrow. Oops, don't have nothing to borrow from. So that's a 0. This turns to a 10, but I still got to borrow 1. So it goes to a 9. This goes to a 10. And it gives me 5. So the answer is 5 cents. And that's it.